This literature kit on American-born Chinese by Jean Luen Yang includes vocabulary and comprehension questions that help foster understanding rather than busy work. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Translate quotes from the story to make clear what they imply. Describe what the 4 major disciplines of invulnerability are as laid out in the story. Compare your experience with switching schools to that of Danny's. Look inward and reflect on your true identity. 4 additional extension activities follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as creating a timeline of events taking place in the story to see how they are connected. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Reimagine a scene from the story with alternate outcomes. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.